bye, girl. You know.
We.
For the last time.
How you look like? I don't know. Depends on the.
Gani. Nagtugan. Kumata na sila. Guys, good morning. Ano ba yan? So, today is ang araw na we're gonna start traveling pa New South Wales. Lumakad na sila ate. Kasi today is her induction day. Supposed to be Monday eh. Monday, Tuesday, Friday. 4 days overdue na si ate. So, kailangan na talaga siyang i-induce. So, ayun. So, we're just gonna have some coffee right now. Yung mga bata, tulog pa sila. So, pupunta dito nga yung parents ni Dan para may magbantay kina Arlo at saka Ayla. Hopefully, it's gonna be a safe delivery. First time ni ate na overdue siya kasi usually talaga 1 week early siya. Kaya nga, initially, very confident kami na pagkatapos ng contract namin, andito na yung bata. Sabi nga namin, Michelle, sana nag-extend tayo doon ng 1 week. Extend ng 1 week, tapos after nun, for sure, andito na yung bata. So, hindi naman talaga makikita si Indy kasi we really need to travel. Ang layo pa ng biyahe natin.
Alo ba?
I know. Ang cute nilang dalawa. Like, nag-ano talaga sila. They're facing each other tapos natutulog. Ready na yung cot ni Indy dito sa baba. Sabi ni ate na ano daw, after the pregnancy, if ever okay na daw siya, after 4 hours, pwede na daw makauwi. But, you know, we'll never know. Akala ko maulan. Michelle! We're gonna say goodbye to them very quickly guys before dumating yung kanilang lola at saka lolo. Look how cute. I'm gonna miss you guys. Stop lang kami dito sa Ampol, guys. Bili ng something and toilet. Linis na rin din yung windshield. So, bili lang kami ng Pringles. This one is cheese flavor. Tapos, KitKat na chunky. Sarap to. And ano pala, wait muna ha. And nagdala din kami ng Prime Drinks, guys. This is an energy drink. Blue raspberry. Masarap daw to. Never pa namin na-try. And we are gonna be on the move again. Let's keep on going now. Stop muna kami, guys. We are having fish and chips. And then, up until now, wala pa tayong update if nanganak na ba si ate. It's already 12:10. Sana naman, okay lang siya. Just eating some chips. Ayan. Tapos, this is my, this is the fish dye. Tining. For nagikat. Abang init.
May lunch chips na kaya.
Wala, ang kaya.
Yan yung seafood stick man.
Sarap yung chips. Dinit. Guys, finally we're here in Griffith. My God, that was 8 hours kapin plus na biyahe. Anyway, andito tayo sa Gem Hotel. Dito tayo mag-overnight stay. Dito kami nakabook. Let's just check in, guys, kasi alam na 5 na. 5. And may chika ako later. Here you go. We're so glad it's a hotel. Finally, we can rest. Check muna namin yung room.
Elevator.
No, kumot kaysa 102, girl. There. Here it is. Oh, nice. Nice toilet, girl. Nice shower. Meron ding maliit na bar dito. Yeah, may mga drinks. Ayan. Tapos, this is the bed. Ooh. In fairness lang, maganda yung furniture nila. Oh, ang ganda nitong chair na to sa kilid. That's it. And then we have a TV. At least we have a comfortable bed tonight. Kahit na overnight lang tayo. And then, oh, there's a police. Inday, at bang ratag police? Da. Lagi. That's the police station. Tapos yung car, kailangan namin i-transfer dito sa likod para safe siya. I really love the chair. Ang cute ng chair. Oh, awa, oh. Nice kay color. Tamang police. Ito, mga arangan kaya itong police ay. Ha? Mataas yung barog ba? Wait, the next one yung chair. After a very long drive.
After a very long time of riding.
You know what, guys? Amazing si Michelle today. Nakapag-drive siya ng 8 hours siya lang. Ayaw niya makipagpalit. Girl, pwede ka na talaga. Yung dream niya kasi, gusto niyang maging trucker. Gusto niya maging trucker. Gusto niya yung mga ice road truckers na mga show. After today, guys, definitely, Michelle, ilagay mo na yan sa iyong resume. Pwede ka na talagang maging road trucker or outback trucker dito sa Australia.
Bottled water.
As in, ayaw niya talaga magpa-swap. Tomorrow, it's my turn. Pero hindi ko kaya 8 hours o hindi ko talaga yun kaya. Kahit nga yung 5 hours, para na ako mamamatay.
It's only $9.
Really? Nung 5 hours akong nag-drive, guys, from Mildura, sinabi ko talaga kay Michelle na pag slow na yung pag-drive, hindi ko na masyadong na-estimate yung distance kasi yung utak ko ba nagiging na. Hindi na niya kaya. Hindi niya ma-process ang distance. Anyway, my good news tayo, guys. Finally, nanganak na si ate. Talagang hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado ngayon kasi ang dami kong iniisip. Sabi ko nga kay Michelle, it's a very stressful day today. Kasi, alam nyo naman na sabi ko kahapon na sinasort out namin yung accommodation. Unfortunately, up until now, hindi na sort out yung accommodation namin. Pero, we're still going or pushing through the contract kasi may promise naman sila sa amin na they're gonna sort it out next week. So, yun. And the other one is yun nga. Sige, pag-document. Si ate nanganak na, guys. Alam nyo ba, di ba, alas 7 siya, or 6, mga 6:30. Pumunta na siya sa, sa hospital. Kasi nga, i-induce na siya. And then, pagdating niya doon, sobrang taas pala talaga ng, it's a very long na labor. Tapos, very difficult one, sabi ni Dan, kasi nag-attempt akong tumawag mga midday, kasi sabi ko, ano na nangyayari? I was expecting na medyo mabilis na lang ba after the induction. Kasi yung una nilang ginawa is break nila yung water. After i-break ng water, dun pa daw, if ever hindi daw siya mag-labor, dun pa daw, bibigyan siya ng induction na medication. Or, pang-induce na medication. Kung sila kailag oxytocin, lisod na lang ko. Sobrang taas pala talaga ng process, guys. Mga almost 3 PM na siya nanganak. Nag-message si Dan sa akin kasi na-worry na ako. Uy, na bakit ang tagal? Bakit wala pa kaming update? Ganun. And we're gonna call her now. And see, ang ganda ng buong bata. Wait. Tawagan na natin. Kasi, sabi kasi ni Dan, tawag daw siya in 10 minutes. Pero alam ko na, kakapanganak lang, 10 minutes agad tawag talaga. Hello? Hello? Is she white?
She's sleeping.
Pink.
She's
She's pink. Saan mo nga now nga? Si Ayla niya or si Arlo?
It looks like Ayla.
Looks like
She's got
Ayla.
chubby cheeks. She's got a lot of hair. It's so scrubby. Yeah.
Conte struggle.
Oh yeah.
I know. I think she's gonna be white.
Do you have a connection with your daddy? Did you
Oh,
feel,
that's true.
Did you
Is
feel
there
it?
a connection this time?
Did you feel it, Mom?
I think so.
Wow,
Did you feel a connection,
Oh
Mom?
no, it's like she's like Ayla, like
That's
brown face.
She's like Oilo.
Then the mouth though is like Arlo's.
The usual. Arlo. Arlo masad ang kanang mouse ni Inday.
She's really calm. She's sleeping now.
I know, she's so big.
Yeah. That was
Yeah.
her dark.
3.3.
kgs.
Yeah.
So mga 6.6 pounds.
6.6 months.
Yeah.
Siya ang pinaka-big.
No, I think Arlo still.
Arlo gyapon.
Hindi, why
Yeah.
did you not want to come out Hindi?
Hello, uy, ka-cute eh.
Hindi.
So
She's
pretty.
sleeping.
She's so pretty.
Then nag-oxy jud ka, oxytocin.
Yes.
And then,
Gas. A lot of gas.
wala na ka
nagka-
nag-epidural
nagka-
ra.
No, epidural.
Oh no, hindi. You look
The
like
most painful one.
You look
So
like
she
Ayla.
The
she
most,
beat Arlo.
as in, the most painful one. So,
Oh, yeah.
nag-epidural ka.
Wala lagi.
Wala, Jod. Wala ko kadungog. Wala, di ka nag-epidural.
Wala kayo. Close naman kaayo niya. Nag-ask ko.
Okay.
Wala,
Yeah.
kurma sa naong lingin.
Muro mo ni si Ayla, te.
Nice
Looks like
skin set.
Ayla, pero,
She has good skin too.
Walay patch, te.
We haven't seen it. And
Ano,
is she
ano si
patchy?
Ayla, Judy? Muro siya
Ah,
si
she's
Ayla. Pero I think ang kilay kaati.
No, she just got a account tahi.
Oh, nag-stay na jud siya, te.
Overdue naman.
Yeah.
Good.
So does that mean mo stay mo dihag another day?
So,
Yeah, she's fine.
uli mate today.
Murag uli siguro may unyang gabi na
Oh
kayo.
my God, ako kay siyang nawong kanang lisod yung kain ni.
Linginag na ako ni, uy, cute anoy.
Paggawas niya kay di ba dapat ihatag na ko. Gikuha nila kay kanang
Bikaw niyo, gi-clean.
yeah, wala siya ni hilot.
Awa siya
Oh
nila.
no.
Wala siya ni hilot.
Struggle
Pero
ko
na
siya,
siya
distraction pa siya.
heart rate. Wala siya ni hilot jud.
Kama ka nga ng
So
mga, te.
totoo to.
Kani pa mo daw siya ready mo gawas.
Yung siya sama mo eh.
Saan mo yun?
Yung
Mamagos
pugi
mo.
sa mo.
Kanan mara kita dito.
Tug pagay siya.
Lagi. Siya nga, dapat na pa magustihan ron.
Hala, pareho silang ka ng purma ni Ayla, no?
Oh,
Circle
as in,
ka, ayun
yan ka ng paanang lang ba? Yan pa forward.
Ang ilong, te, murag ato, arag hapon ang ilong nga.
Kaya sila ilang
You never know.
As in, parang ilong, ang nose Mura dyan.
Kanang button nose din ah.
Wala sa yung
Yeah.
mo, may kita. Uy, wala, taas kay kuko.
Dugay overdue naman ka dito. Hindi.
Huy, ikaw, madugayo sa naman ni gawas, uy.
Black ang hair, te. Parehong dan.
Klaro kay na connection, eh, pareho.
Yeah, she's got dark hair.
Okay.
Pareho manig ka ng naong ni Ayla.
Ang important rate na i-connection si Danny.
Na connection, eh, pareho now.
Congrats, te.
Pareho now ni Ayla. Wala ka cute.
Sige ako, magkusus mo
Yeah,
siya.
chubby wubby.
No, dako kayo now.
No. Pagaling.
circle kayo. Klaro kayo, lisod kayo kaday.
Dugay te, pero wala ra gi forceps or wala ra na.
Wala ra. Wala
okay.
ra. Sakit lang jud kay.
Wala ra na stock sa vaginal canal.
Mas na-stuck si Arlo kay mas kanang pointed og si Arlo.
Cute kaayo siya.
Mas cone shape si Arlo.
Kabalo ba ka nga? Car wash time, guys. I'll show you the car.